Hello friends, greetings from Mirador de Tajuya, from Church of Sacred Family, Sagrada Familia Church. I'm here back at the site to report to you what is going on here today on November 2nd at the volcano, which is active, very active as you see. Doesn't want to stop, but sooner or later it will stop. So let's take a look what is going on.
Mira, desde aquí Neus. Lisa. Mira. Venga para acá. Desde aquí, sin sacar la palmera. Mira, Neus, desde aquí, sin sacar la palmera.
So much traffic on this road, this so busy highway. Taxi going, buses, all types of cars, non-stop here next to the volcano. And this, you can see lava flowing right from the car. Just 500 meters away there is lava flowing and there is so much traffic. It's incredible. There you see a news reporter. Spanish TV, I guess, and it's always busy here at this site. This is how many people are today. Every day, many news reporters. It's all next to the highway. In the town called Tajuya. By the way, when volcano erupted, it flooded the village to the front of the volcano, which is called Paradise, El Paraíso. Lava went through the center of Paradise. Most of the houses that have been destroyed by lava are the only houses of people or holiday homes. So many people lost their only houses, but some people lost their holiday homes, and that is quite sad. Also because most of people who live in this area, they are not rich. I wouldn't say that La Palma population is rich. It's moderate class and poorer people that live on this island, and this is quite sad. They lost the only property, many of them, the only property they had. The good thing is that the Spanish government allocated 18 million euros for the relief of the victims, and hopefully they all will get new houses. The church always remains open. You can always come in, and it's a bit cold now, getting colder in the evenings. Good thing we don't have ashfall like some days before. Here you see lava is spilling right now, started to go down the hill. You see it's flowing down here. It's always spilling. It was like in Iceland. There is a flow that is going in a river in big stream, and then it spills over to the sides here and there. And those flows, they cool down very quick. Often they don't continue anywhere. Some continue. It's like a lotto. It's like a game, you know. Some flow will continue. Some flow will fossilize very quick. But you never know where the lava will eventually go. It's very chaotic. A flow, a lava that is erupting here, like in Iceland. Basaltic lava from the depths of the ocean. By the way, earthquakes Most of earthquakes now are very shallow at 10-11 kilometers depth, and there is a tendency of less earthquakes per time, so it might indicate the volcano might be slowing down. And all the earthquakes are taking place at one location, strange, more or less similar location, close to the airport. Villa de Mazo is called the location. I wouldn't like to live there or stay. So on the east side of the island, not on the west, by the way. Earthquakes are on the east side of the island, at a peaceful place where you don't have the eruption, and that's kind of strange. But it's close to Cumbre Vieja volcano anyway, so. And earthquakes are of course concerning, because of course there is a limit for any house or structure how much it can hold. But the good thing is that during the previous eruptions of Cumbre Vieja volcano, and there had been many of them, every 50 years, there hadn't been any big earthquake that would kill somebody or destroy towns. So there is, hopefully they will be within tolerable limits, as history shows. Historical records from the past show that they had been within tolerable limits. So that's a good thing in a way, that you can at least rely on that. Hopefully they won't destroy any houses or earthquakes here. But you never know, because this volcano already, there was a tendency downward tendency in the time of the eruption, in the time span of the eruption. Historical eruptions, they had been always shorter and shorter through history. The last eruption lasted less than a month, but this volcano is a kind of black sheep. Is very strange, because it's already went over the time span of the last two eruptions, so it's already broke this rule of the eruptions that are decreasing every 50 years. The eruptions time span is decreasing. This is already lasting longer, so it's kind of strange. It's also emitting strange material and different types of lava, which is kind of also concerning. So this is what is happening today at the church, and no ashfall, but people wear masks and some wear goggles, but it's okay. So I wish you all the best. Greetings from La Palma.